I'm so excited, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Happiness. I'm so happy to have you all here. So today we're going to do some unboxing. I got some item. I ordered some items online, and one was delivered yesterday. Two came in this morning. So you're all very welcome, and we're going to do the unboxing together. So stay tuned and watch to the end to see what I got. So two items are from Temu and one from Shein. So we're going to unwrap all of them together and see what we got. And you can tell me in the comment which item is your favorite. So let's get started. I'm so excited. So if you're new to this channel, please do me a favor. You're welcome. Please subscribe, like this video, comment below, and let's get started. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you for stopping by again. I am so pleased to have you again. Let's unwrap these items together. I promise you won't regret it. Thank you and stay tuned. Let's get started. We're going to start from the smallest item. And this parcel came from Shein. So let's see what is inside. You know, it can be funny sometimes with the scissors. If you're not careful, you chop off some of the items inside. So that's number one. Number two item. Oh. And the third item. I am so excited. So the smallest one here is a heel pad. It's a healing set for those who have heel pain or any kind of heel conditions, that when you wear your shoes, you feel pains and too much pressure on your heels. So when you put this in your shoes, it reduces the pains. So it's an extra support for your heels. It's just a gel pad. It's very nice. This is the third order. The first time I ordered these heel pads, I ordered them from Temu, but this time around, the second order came from Shein, and this is the third time I'm ordering this. It's almost like I use them for all my shoes, especially for my work shoes. So it really, it helps. So I recommend it if you're looking for a heel pad or a heel gel for your shoes. This is very, very good. It is very, very good. You don't feel the pressure once they're in your shoes while you're walking. So I got two pairs. So that's this one. And the next item is this one. It's a hairband band. So I got them. It's a pack. I ordered this as a pack. Oh, there's so many of them. I think there are about 10 of them here. That I ordered. This one is brown. This one is cream. Is that cream? Maybe cream. This is off-white. Beige. Would that be beige to you? Another beige or white? I don't know. This is white. This one is pure white. This looks like off-white. What do you think? Red one. I like this shade of red. Navy blue. More brown, coffee brown. Am I right? Chocolate color. What is this color? I have no idea. Dark gray and black. Oh, I love hair bands. One fell. I have to get it. I love hair bands a lot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 11, 12. Oh my God. And I think it's around €4 something. I have to find my receipt. And I'll put it up there, how much each of these things cost. Oh my goodness. And do you know what? While I was waiting for this, I went to the store, a pharmaceutical store, to check if I can get, even if it's one. You know how much they are selling one, just one. When I mean one, just one, like this. The first place I went, they were selling it for €2.99, and the second pharmaceutical store, €3 whopping for just one. See what I got? 12. I'll put the price here for you to see. Now, the next item here is a wig. I got a wig. Oh, you came with the wig cap. Ha ha ha. Ooh. So this is a 16 inches wig. Oh, this one I ordered before. So that one I ordered before was pre-cut, pre-bleach, pre-everything. I don't think this one came with the lace. The other one had no lace. It's just, and it's a glueless wig. You just put it on and you're good to go. So 16 inches in length, and it has baby hair all around, and it has small baby hair. So I'll try it on and I'll put the photo here as well, and so that you see. That's what the inside looks like, and it has an elastic band here for extra support. Oh, it has combs as well that you can attach or clip onto your own hair depending on which way you're wearing it. Some people don't really like this small combs. They will chop them off. But anyway, that's how it came. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Now, so that's this one all done. The first unwrapping. The second one is this one. This item is from Temu. That's the first item. The second item. Third item inside. And fourth item inside. Now, let's see. What is this? This is an underwear. I'm not going to open it here, but this is an underwear, and it's like a girdle. It supports the abdomen as well, so it gives you a very nice support when you wear it. And I think this is also another underwear as well, and it gives you extra support at the tummy side when you wear it. So I'm not going to start exposing all that here. Well, that's just me, you know, but that's what that is. And I have it's summer. So it's just a flip-flop, or it's a sandal, sort of. Yeah, it's a sandal. Oh my God, it's so nice. Isn't this beautiful? I think it is. It's really, really gorgeous. I will wear it and I will upload the photo here as well. Oh, it is so comfortable. Absolutely comfortable. Oh, wow. I love it. Nice. So, what size did I pick? Size 40. And the last item for this one is a wig stand. Oh, look at this. That's a wig stand. At least if I have a wig, I have to have a wig stand where I can keep the wig, so that if I have my wig ready overnight, it's quite easy in the morning when I'm rushing off to work. All I need to do then is just to grab it and put it on. So it makes life a lot easier. But then if I weave my hair, then I don't need to wear the wig. So let's try this on the wig cap and see. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Look at that. So that's what that is for. Love this. So we're going to, I don't want this particular video to be long. So we're going to stop here and join me on another video, and we'll unwrap the last box and you can see what that is. It's a big box and it's something massive. So stay tuned for part 2. of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you. Don't fail to subscribe to my channel. Don't fail to like this video and comment down below to tell me which of the unwrapped items it's your favorite. I'll be so happy to hear from you. Until then, watch out for part 2. Thank you. Bye bye.